Matthew 5 verse 44, "But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you." Romans 12 verses 17 to 18, "Do not repay anyone evil for evil. Be careful to do what is right in the eyes of everyone. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone." Proverbs 24 verses 17 to 18, "Do not gloat when your enemy falls. When they stumble, do not let your heart rejoice, or the Lord will see and disapprove and turn his wrath away from them." Luke 6 verses 27 to 28, "But to you who are listening I say, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, pray for those who mistreat you." 1 Peter 3 verse 9, "Do not repay evil with evil or insult with insult. On the contrary, repay evil with blessing, because to this you were called so that you may inherit a blessing." Psalm 37 verses 1 to 2, "Do not fret because of those who are evil or be envious of those who do wrong, for like the grass they will soon wither, like green plants they will soon die away." Proverbs 19 verse 11, "A person's wisdom yields patience, it is to one's glory to overlook an offense." 2 Timothy 2 verses 24 to 25, "And the Lord's servant must not be quarrelsome but must be kind to everyone, able to teach, not resentful. Opponents must be gently instructed." Romans 12 verse 21, "Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good." Isaiah 54 verse 17, "No weapon forged against you will prevail, and you will refute every tongue that accuses you. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and this is their vindication from me, declares the Lord." Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.